Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
My name is Mohlathe. I am a co-founder of Transformational Wellness Adventures.
My name is Khumalo, and I am a co-founder of Transformational Wellness Adventures.
It's actually been a journey. It's been a journey of trying to find wellness for self, to live a happier life, and then create the same opportunities for others because we've got the expertise. The when is I think journey maybe started solidifying in 2019. And just the aspiration of saying there's a better way to live, there's a healthier way to live than escaping through other means, and so wellness became the center.
So we provide for physical, because it's holistic wellness. So there's physical activities in the form of bike retreats and hiking. There's nutritional based activities, yes, and interventions. And there's also what do we call the mind one? Like we have mental meditations, silent retreats, and so on. On Facebook, you can find us as Transformational Wellness Adventures. On Instagram, transformational_adventures. WhatsApp numbers are 083 399 5793 and 083 699 2260. And we ride daily, and we depart from this venue, actually, Hurricanes. Monday to Thursday, you can join us, and then you can hire a bike. If you'll be riding for us every day, 30 Rand. And then, yeah.
My name is Mohlathe, and I am a township entrepreneur.
My name is Khumalo, and I am a township entrepreneur.